Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. This is my bar. Oh wait, that's Lake Okanagan. We got a great episode coming up. I'm going to make some beef Siu Mai for my Appies with Chappie by the lake. First up, we're going to do a quick drink. I'm going to do a quick Cuba Libre. So I got a nice big short glass of ice. I'm going to add a little bit of, actually a lot of Captain Morgan spiced rum. I'm going to go a splash of lime. And then we're going to finish it off with cola. And that's a Cuba Libre. Alright, coming up next, Appies with Chappie by the lake.
Appies with Chappie by the lake.
Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard, that's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.